Now we have our chopped and oiled vegetables on a sheet pan. They're going to go into our preheated 425-degree oven. We'll check them in 25 minutes, and while we're doing that, we'll prepare our burgers. Now let's mix up our ground beef with the Worcestershire sauce and their spices, and we'll get 4 burgers out of this big one. That was 25 minutes. We're going to pull these onions off because they're going in the gravy eventually, and we don't want them to get too toasty. We're going to spread these to the side and put our burgers down. And back in the oven. While that's going, we'll get started on our gravy. We've got about 4 tablespoons of butter. Add our mushrooms. Stir in some flour. Got to be careful with this because it adds a lot of flavor, but it adds a lot of salt. Start adding our broth a little at a time. Scrape up the bottom real good. Go back in with our onions. Now we're going to flip those burgers and pull these potatoes off. We're going to put these back in, let them finish up, throw a little butter on our carrots while we're at it. Now we're going to smash up our potatoes. Now let's plate this up.